Why does the weirdest content do the most amount of views? It's because any attention is good attention. And I'll actually show you exactly how to do this with Grok 4 to grab all your viewers by the throat. I'm going to be covering basically how to maximize your marketing and use AI to basically give you the most unhinged ideas. And what other better application for that than Grok AI? And there's this saying for a while now that any attention is good attention. So I think for something as like niche and really hard to just get like a following on AI, for example, you need to just get creative, just try out some of this unhinged marketing. I actually started whispering in a video, and it actually did like 2K views on a short, so it does actually work. Without further ado, our tools for today is Grok, Lovable, and N8N. To start off, let's get our chat. Boom. Add the plus sign. Grab our AI agent. Boom. Then we're going to hit the plus sign. Then we're going to do Grok. Then we're going to do Grok 4, the smartest version we can possibly get for our marketing tool. Then we are going to just do that for now and just try it out. Hey, give me some ideas on marketing. Pretty basic. Alright, so basically it gave us number 1, UGC campaigns, influencers, content marketing with a twist. That's funny, kind of hinting at the unhinged stuff, guerrilla marketing and emo marketing, yada yada. That's great, but that's not really gonna really catch a lot of people on our brand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Grok. Hey, can you create an unhinged plan our brand question mark to max on views question mark, and voila. Alright, we got our prompt for the most part, and it's giving us some good tactics. Alright, sweet. We're going to copy this, go to our agent, add a system message, delete this, boom, now we have our prompt, and voila. So this is the basic version, so you can get outputs like that and then copy them to X, but we're going to take this a step further and add a webhook and connect it to Lovable to get endless unhinged marketing. Super easy. And you can sell this to like a agency that wants to get a little bit wild on X. And there's a lot of people on X that are just crazy and wanting to market their brand to new limits, and this is a great way. So what we're going to do is we are going to get a webhook, we are going to get a production webhook. We're going to put it as post. Then we're going to do using response to webhook. Bam. And Lovable loves the post webhooks for some reason. Just keep that in mind. Webhook response, perfect. And then we are going to add X, formerly Twitter, create a tweet, and then grab this output and then paste it in. For the most part. And then the issue is that with our first original post, it is pretty massive. We are going to ask for a limit on this, so we're gonna actually grab this prompt and improve it. Hey, can you keep these pretty short, since X has a limit for free users, question mark. All right, beautiful, lovely. Okay, perfect. Now we got this ready. We're gonna test this all out. Hola. All right, perfect. It works. And then we are going to turn this on, change this to define below, save, then go back to Lovable, say, hey, with everything you know, please create a prompt or a website that I can ask for unhinged marketing. All right, beautiful. All right, perfect. And I don't know why it's giving us other beauty tech, all this stuff. Oh my gosh, that's funny. This is actually pretty smart, not gonna lie. And then we're gonna and paste all this code and say, create this, please. And then we are going to do this to Grok 4 for super base, and it should create our questionnaire for Unhinged marketing. But that's actually so cracked though. Did a really good job on this. Alrighty, it looks like it's gonna be done. Looks exactly like what Grok did, but slightly better, which is pretty impressive. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill out all this information and then send it to our webhook. But first we have to grab our webhook initially. Boom. This is the webhook. Please use Grok for Super base to create edge function. And Superbase is basically the backend for Lovable, if you're curious. I've covered this in my other Twitter video. I can link it up by here, but yeah, let's see the magic happen. All right, sweet. All right, so basically my brand is just Luke Lord or Shadow. Oh, that's why. This is our Discord's name for the most part. Gen Z. Let's just have it be wild, and let's do Cardi because that is for the young generation for the most part. And this should fill on purpose. That's kind of the intention. Because we need just, oh, why is it? Oh, is that why? Alright, so we're going to do my brand, which is called Shadow Wizard Money Gang, which is a free AI Discord to learn more about this stuff. And then we're going to do AI tools. We're going to select Gen Z. That is weird. It doubled it. Then we're going to do Cardi. Yeah, it was bugging out earlier, but I guess it doesn't really affect us. Oh, that's why. Oh my gosh. Freaking Grok confused the heck out of me. My apologies. Alright, so now it should fill again, which is a good thing. So we can just wire this baby. Wow, look at that. Unhinged marketing plan. It went through X. What did it post on X? Unhinged marketing plan, target Gen Z millennials with chaotic TikTok videos, memes, jack trends, sassy mascots, roast, boost 50% views, followers 20% in 3 months. Okay. So, it didn't get the memo. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy this into the editor because it did work. So we're going to go to executions. We're going to do body. Then we're going to do editor. Then we're going to do expressive. Then we're gonna do save. Gonna create another plan. Tech, AI tools, Gen Z, whole chaos, Cardi. Get our marketing plan. Okay, so air. This is a good thing because now we can actually set it to all the right parameters. And then there is a limit on X on how much you can output. We got hit by a limit. You saw it work, right? So we're gonna actually delete this. If you want to pay $100 a month for X to post with this tool, please go ahead. If I were to market on X, it would be on super simple prompts, or you can use a tool like this and just get your unhinged plan for the most part. And we're gonna actually see this tool in action and actually see if it works or not. Oh, it did not work. Interesting. That's why. Yeah, it did not save our work. So let's just hit it one more time. All right, sweet. Unhinged marketing. Meme fuel chaos. Relatable AI feels absurd humor. Rapid trend jacking. Make Luke BR feel like a glitchy bestie. Perform Pacific. Wild edits, reels and memes. Savage tweets. Tactics, chaotic mascots. Glitchy Luke's sassy AI avatar that malfunctions hilariously. Use in TikTok rants. Why humanizes tech. Sparker the Duolingo owl and AI brain rot memes. Weekly drops with Gen Z slang plus AI twists. Skibbity Sigma AI generating cursed images. 15-second glitch videos. Carousel memes. Tech bros of basic apps. Memes explosion. Ohio Riz. Oh my gosh. This is just so funny and ridiculous. But it actually works with Gen Z. So if you are trying to like build a community, most of your members are probably going to be in the 13 to 24 range because these are the tech native people who are looking to use AI and whatnot. So that's the video, guys. I hope that you really loved Grok's unhinged marketing because I think that this is super helpful just for creating AI content that's really unhinged and engaging to basically try to grow a following with your AI agency, or you're just using AI to create chaotic marketing, which is, I think, not a bad strategy nowadays. But yeah, please check out my Discord for the Shadow Wizard Money Gang, because this is a place where we just share ideas about AI and how we can use it within content, and yeah, just create a following and get amazing with these tools. But anyways, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya. Attention is good attention. Attention is good attention.